In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage bookmarks in Power BI, a useful feature for saving specific report views such as filters, slicer states, and visual configurations. These bookmarks are not just handy for capturing a snapshot of your current report state, they're also invaluable for building navigation elements or telling a cohesive data story in Power BI. Let's dive into the capabilities of bookmarks and then go step by step through how to create them. First, let's talk about what bookmarks actually do for us in Power BI. Essentially, a bookmark captures a snapshot of your entire report page at a specific moment in time. This includes the state of filters and slicers you have on the page, the visibility of different visuals, and even the sort orders you've applied. In addition to that, bookmarks remember where you are in terms of drill state and cross filters, and even which page you're currently viewing. Notably, it also keeps track of the visibility settings you've set in the selection pane, among other things, which makes it an incredibly versatile tool for both report creation and presentation. So, how do you create these bookmarks in Power BI Desktop? Start by opening up your report in Power BI Desktop. Once your report is open, head over to the View menu. Here, you'll want to enable the Bookmarks pane. You might also find it helpful to open the selection pane if you plan on showing or hiding certain visuals. With the Bookmarks pane visible, begin configuring your report page the way you want it to appear when you save it as a bookmark. Tweak the filters, adjust slicers, hide or reveal visuals, and settle on the sorting configurations. Essentially, set everything up as you want it to be frozen in time. Next steps are straightforward. In the Bookmarks pane, click on the Add button to create a new bookmark. You'll see it appear in the list. At this point, it's crucial to give your bookmark a meaningful name that reflects its purpose. Perhaps you could call it something descriptive like Sales by Region or Top Products. This makes it much easier to identify which bookmark serves which purpose later on. If your reporting needs evolve, you might find it beneficial to adjust what each bookmark remembers. To do this, click on the ellipsis, the three dots, next to the bookmark in the pane. This action opens up options for you to specify what gets remembered by the bookmark. You can decide whether it should recall the data, display settings, current page, or only certain visuals. These options ensure that your bookmarks are as powerful and tailored as they need to be for your specific use case. By mastering bookmarks in Power BI, not only do you save time in repeatedly setting up your favorite report views, but you also enhance the storytelling capacity of your dashboards. So go ahead, explore this feature, and start boosting your data presentation today.